Hi everybody, it's Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2023 Mercedes-Benz GLB 250 4MATIC. This vehicle for sale comes in a blue exterior with a black interior. Sunroof, blind spot assist, coming around to the rear, you can see our GLB 250, Mercedes-Benz, and 4MATIC badging. And we have a power opening and closing trunk. Push button to close. Take a look at our rear seats next. And quick look up at the front of the vehicle. And now the driver's side. So we do have power and memory seats for both driver and passenger, as well as heated seats. See the controls here. Driver door controls. Driver seat with lumbar support. Steering wheel. And we'll go ahead and hop inside. Mileage in this vehicle currently at 88. We have a push button ignition. So here's our Mercedes touchscreen display. Navigation. Backup camera. And radio. Below that we have climate control. And cup holders, wireless charging pad for a cell phone. Command module here to make adjustments on the display, and the Mercedes-Benz shifter. And if you're interested in seeing photos or getting additional information about this vehicle, just see our website, feldmanimports.com.